Erica.
Hi.
I'm Erica.
I'm Kim. We're singing.
I'm yours.
Bye.
Jason Mraz.
Woot woot.
Featuring.
Me and her.
For sure.
Go.
Don't bother the sound in the background because we're in a party right now. It's sorry.
We're Filipinos,
Yeah.
so
So yeah, here you go.
I don't want to set up the bomb.
You vampire. 20 seconds.
4 seconds.
Well, you done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to dash you, but you're so hot that I melted. I felt like you could cry. And now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool down around, I'll be giving it my best. Just nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's against my turn to win some more. Learn some that I won't hesitate no more. It came my way. Ayaw.
Galingin nyo naman.
Team na ako.
Well, open up your eyes, see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our God-forsaken right to be loved, love. So we won't hesitate
Kuya, pupunta ka na sa house.
no more. It can't there's no need to love it. In short, this is our thing. I'm yours.
Hindi naman sa'yo. Okay.
Wait.
Wait. I think it stopped.
It did.
Really?
Yeah. We were greatly interrupted.
Yeah. That was a fail.